Nifesh says hi bro, hello bro. So welcome to the game engine coding live stream, part 164, part 87 of the GUI, and we're doing the ImGUI Doomstar FPS counter. So let me message her, see if he's around to join in. There we go. Okay, so I wanted to share that I've created this folder on Google Drive, and what I'm going to do is make it accessible, get link, and what I'm going to have it is anyone with the link can view on it. So copy the link, and we're going to say Livestream. GitHub, and we're going to first of all say Google Drive for hello to Herdingen. So I just created a Google Drive folder for the game engine, just shared it publicly. It's view only, but any stuff we want to put in there, especially game ideas, which is something as I was talking to you, her, and I'll mention it yesterday at the end of the live stream. Something as feel like we're getting closer and closer to the end of the to-do list. There's still a fair bit to do, but it's becoming more. It's going around more in my mind. So Google Drive. So we got that. I'll whack that onto the GitHub link as well. So let me go to GitHub project XYZ. We do need to rename this. We're going to rename it her as well. We're going to rename it to Project Saucy Game Engine, or SGE. Project SGE. Project SGE Saucy Game Engine. And we're going to say the Google Drive link. Yeah, that's fine for now. This really doesn't need to be anything special about it. Okay, so what we're gonna say, I'm also gonna create a folder for, I'm gonna create a sheet, and I'm gonna call this, and I'm gonna say editable by everyone. This could be a very bad idea. I'm sure people will probably put all sorts of stuff in there. It's only a spreadsheet, so so we'll get the link, and we'll say anyone with this link can be an editor of said file, and we'll go on the live stream. Actually, no, we won't. We'll just leave it as is, and I'm gonna also say I won't edit that one for today, but I will edit that one going forward. So let me put this. So we're gonna say we'll put it below this. And grab it from where did I put it? What did I put it in here? Maybe I didn't. Google Drive, and I will grab the link again, copy, that, save it, and I'm gonna go to here. There we go. I'm gonna copy that, put it in a live stream. Okay, so we're going to do something very similar to here, and I'm literally just going to copy and paste this. Okay, so we should be all good to go now. Okay, so I'll close that. And obviously anyone can edit this and have at it. So we'll put game ideas as well. Game ideas. And we're gonna say city builder. I'll leave that as it is. So now let's actually get back to the game engine. So we was getting the last time just data from so we could actually store it, and I remember seeing we could get this information. I thought that was pretty cool. That's something I would like to have. So let's get some hardware classes. So first of all, let's do actually C++ cross-platform hardware information library. If it's a cross-platform one, great. We'll just grab that, whack it in there, something that's easy to use. If not, I'll just mix and match it. That looks pretty solid, that does. The fact that you can get all of this. So this is in infoware. Let's have a look. See what else we got. Google. Nah, I don't need to know about the how. Okay, so honestly, gotta get you GPU information as well. Or is it just CPU bound? I'm gonna say that's only CPU. And we got this one. This looks pretty interesting. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Okay, so this is down here. Let's grab the latest release. I include, we got source. And but I wondered, did you know Flutter? Yeah, I've used Flutter before and created a tutorial series on it. Been a while, but what's the question? Let's try putting this in. So if we go to the project is in downloads, code project external libraries. Infoware, and so let's put this in there. Say infoware. So let's go over here, properties, and I'm gonna go to general. Yeah, there's different options based on the I'm creating an app called Music Player. Did I need backend for that? I mean, that question honestly doesn't mean much. I'm assuming you're creating a, like I said, app like Spotify. Do we need backend? What do you mean by backend? You mean where the songs come from? Do you mean just backend code? Like, I don't. Again, it's you need a bit more information to be to help you. So. Like, you're saying like Spotify, is it just a clone or is it something that you're adding to it? I'll never understand why you don't use some modules in your project and compile the libs yourself. I do not know why either. Honestly, something I've never really done, so it's one of those things we'll probably have to go through. / include. Okay, so I'm gonna go to grab the main file, and in this main, can I just do this actually? Can I literally just say examples? So PCI, so I'm guessing it'll give me information about the PCI port, or devices that are connected to the PCI. What else we got? We got system CPP, system information, gives us connected devices, memory, ooh, available and total. Oh yes. Ooh, I like this. This is gonna give us everything that we, most things that we're gonna need. Ooh, let's check out the GPU one. Did that have usage in there as well? RAM size, cache size. Not specifically from what I can see. Has the advantage that you can just put the latest code by updating some modules with a simple git command. Backend like grab music in DB like that and can detail like that. So you don't have to update libraries each by hand. Yeah, it's something we'll have to look into her. So you're saying backend, so if I say backend like grab music, but okay. I'm guessing, do you have the music files, or like where's the music files coming from? Like the actual raw files, are you going to upload them to your database? Do you have access to some database? What are you specifically asking? Okay, so yeah, I was going to go to here. I was just going to copy and paste all of this. There's a copy button. Let's give this bad boy a run. In reality, that should hopefully work. Refresh. There are APIs available for every app like Spotify that you can use. That is very true as well. We get some error. Let's see what the error is. Ah. Okay, so that works. So I need to just link these. I'm guessing they're library files. Let's have a look. Linker. Input. Oh, I hate when that happens. You know, just because changing this doesn't mean I want you to go to the OK option. It's so stupid. I could accidentally be clicking stuff. It's so stupid. I'm assuming this is what they're referring to. Again, it might not be. These may just be header files. I do not know. They're not like eyewear. I mean, I don't really see that posing an issue. one was I meant to even get? GPU. Can't see that being the issue. No. Could do with maybe read. There's no wiki. Oh, there's a wiki. Let's have a look. It just takes us back to this. Yeah, there are this one here. What are you looking for? I'm just trying to fix this or get this infoware library to work that I'm trying to use. Okay. So if I clone that, it's just give what am I meant to do with that file? It's my IDS file? I mean, could do a better guide. What the infoware, I basically want, RAM usage, total RAM use. So basically, how much RAM we got left, how much we use. Same with GPU if we can get that. What hardware we have as well. Essentially trying to emulate a Doom style FPS counter like this. Obviously there's this information, there's a bunch of this. Just trying to get as much as we can, and we're going to use an overlay. Yeah, basically all system information available. Okay, so resolution is that 1904 by 1001. Some weird ass resolution. I mean, one, we're not directly using OpenGL, and two, will it? Will OpenGL tell us that? Yeah, with OpenGL, he would have all the information. What's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Will it tell me stuff like RAM usage and GPU, basically usage stats as well? If need be, we could always directly access OpenGL. That's not possibly not too much of an issue. it's not that I need to know it. It's just a feature I want in the engine, and we're at that part in the to-do list. So again, it's just one of the things I want to put in there. Okay, infoware PCI IDS path. So where let me search. How do you scan your project for something? Thank you very much. Yeah, how do you scan like the whole project for something? And they're not in there anyway. Okay, so let me try this. Let me try looking in here. It'd be easier if I was to just put this in something like my explorers wanting to go dodge on me. While that resolves itself, I'm just gonna go and grab myself a yogurt. What steps is the engine at? 164 episodes pretty deep in. YT live. Okay, so we're gonna drag over infoware and let's go through it. Probably being one of the includes. Looking for a hash define. I doubt they would even be in here. I wouldn't be in there, all this stuff. That's really done much for me. So it doesn't even like it. No, I do not want to do that. Let's have that. So as soon as we're trying to access ImGUI, see if anyone's done it. And also looking here. What kind of engine are you making? A 2D one? Actually, might be worth checking out. It's possible we need this, but where do they want us to put it? Don't know where that's even meant to be. Don't think it's any of them. Those PCI. Nope. Do we have to use Cmake then? Is that what they're saying? I have not used Cmake on it. Let me try that. Do I even have Cmake? Not too sure if I do. Actually. I have Cmake. So, let me try. And let me try and do CD. I'll need to go to Okay, there we go. Yep, GUI probably is easier. Let's just quickly try with this. Okay. No. What's the command? Cmake -- build. We're in here. That's not working out. I'll just Cmake .. Okay, so we're getting somewhere. There were errors where we're looking. Couldn't find a usable Git executable in the environment. Okay, so it was this is the IDS. So let's check where the IDS. So I'm guessing it's in here. Okay, so we just need a path. So I mean, I was trying. I couldn't get anywhere with it. So I'm trying this instead. So let me try the downloading a PCIS file. Here we go. And let me download this. Download. How good that is. Save as. Okay, so we're gonna put that in. Where are we putting it in? 1 second here. So I'm just gonna save it here. So now that that is saved, get the GUI makes the process so simple. What are the errors? I missed it. It was mined by a PC. Or have I done any other text file? That's minor. I'll get rid of that. So in here, not in here, in here, PCIS. It's literally just in the same directory. So I'm guessing if I was to just do this, Got a little further. Line 91 now. It's easier if I just do it on here. Line 91. Okay, what are you saying I should get her? Because I was confused about. Here we go. So on here, requirements, no non-built in, some libraries, So you want me to clone this? I've downloaded the file, so I'm guessing that's all I need is this thing, yeah. Doesn't seem to exist. So what do you mean it doesn't exist? It's literally right here, PCI.IDS. If you want to use infoware, my guess is you need to download the source from GitHub, generate the VS solution with Cmake, and build a lib 2 including the engine. It's how you got 90% of libraries, unless they are header only, which they usually clearly state, which this does not. Just slam in the full path. Oh, you mean like directly? Yeah, you mean like that? I mean, I guess for a one-off, it doesn't matter. I mean, yeah, if you can't do it based off that, now what is gonna be able to do it from? Different now. Do they want forward slashes then? They must want forward slashes. Okay, so we could not find missing git executable. Everything else didn't specifically get an error. I mean, why is this meant to have created? That's meant to help me. Creating a Visual Studio solution, is it? Or you think because it's already in? Not that to be because of that. Use Cmake-G Visual Studio. Okay, let's try it. Cmake-G Visual Studio 16 2019. Okay, so it didn't like that. Cannot create name generator Visual Studio 16 2019. Let me download Cmake GUI as well. Binary, we'll get x64 installer. Here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna have a quick look at this and then I'm gonna have to wrap up and we'll have to continue with this tomorrow. Obviously let me know if you figure something else out, you know. In the meantime as well. Okay. It's saying essentially I'm guessing that's just saying that I don't have that, or that's not part of one of the generators in there. I don't know which way around it's that is hinting. That's fine. I'm gonna add it to, I'm guessing C. No, I have jack or storage, I do. I do not know. .21. Was I using 3.21? I'm not too sure. And I have just done some install Cmake. I wonder if that's changed anything. Because I just installed a new version Cmake. I think it's obviously put the new version there. Okay, so let's have a look at it here. And here we go. The solution. Yeah, you were right. I was missing it. Obviously, me installing the GUI updated the Cmake. Obviously, updated the path as well, and give me the latest version. Like I said, I'm gonna have to wrap up in a second. Okay, let's give it a build. I'm gonna start winding things down, so like 16588. I mean, there's really nothing to commit. I should go toilet. So while I compile, I'll go toilet. Okay, so it's unable to stop. I'm guessing that's it's not really meant to start. There's some infoware lib. Okay, so before I wrap up, so there is some lib. You know what? I'm gonna do this tomorrow because I need to get going. And so I'm gonna wrap up now. That's it. So I'm gonna wrap up. I wanna thank everyone for watching. I will see you all tomorrow. So you need to copy that lib and also the include folder from the original source you downloaded both into your project directory. Yeah, no, and then I need to link it unless if I was to just do this. If I was to just do platforms, Windows, debug, no. Yeah, if they're gonna be anywhere, they'll be here. But these are DLL files. I mean, I doubt it. I mean, I'm pretty certain I would have to actually specifically link it. You know what? Let me quickly try one thing. Yes, that was me. Build, no, copy that, put it here in lib. Now let me go to properties, general, where? I'm going to put in all platforms. And I'm also going to put in linker, general, edit, and not the include, this will be lib. And the idea is if I go here, click edit, and I put in nah. Don't know if I need the PDB file, not too sure. Infoware. It's going longer. Is it read? Ooh. Still gave me an error though. Nah, does not look like. I mean, I've already got the include folder. I'll have to do this tomorrow because that didn't seem to do anything. So I'll do it tomorrow. Thanks for watching because I've got to get going, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye bye. Thanks for the help, Chris Burrows. I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow as well, similar time, and